Hello, OG! I'm June.
And I'm Anne,
Nandito tayo sa Baguio City. Welcome to Casa Pio, your
your
home
home
away
away
from
from
home.
home.
Tara, pasok tayo!
This is like like our baby. Anak namin to eh. It's like parang this house, it's like sobrang lapit. Sobrang lapit talaga sa amin nito. Na, ito na rin yung iniisip namin na parang this is also the house that we want our retirement to be. And it's also here in Baguio. So, itong bahay talaga na to, it's like, lumaki dito yung anak ko eh, growing up. Like, dito siya, all corners. So, sobrang lapit talaga niya.
This house is us.
Yeah,
Kami to.
a family. Our family.
Ito yun. Kami nag-design from our ideas and from our arguments, from our heart.
Ito, oo.
Yes. Ito yun. Kami to. Itong bahay na.
This is our heart and soul
personal.
talaga. Hi, I'm Mary Ann Concepcion, owner and property manager, host of Casa Pio Baguio.
Yes. Hi. I'm June Concepcion, husband, owner of Casa Pio Baguio.
Well, the story really began during the pandemic. When our son, Pio, cannot go outside kasi we live in Quezon City, in Metro Manila. So, as a parent, parang on his childhood, like 4 years old, parang he cannot go outside like that. And also, we live also with my mother-in-law. I know, senior citizen na siya. So, nag-isip kami, parang we wanna go somewhere na we can live our life, we can start, na he can go with, alam mo yun, walang restrictions and all.
Bawal nga lumabas at that time. Hindi namin mabigay sa son namin yung freedom to explore outside kasi bawal. And then when we go out, feeling namin baka may madala kaming virus at that time. It's hindi namin gusto mangyari yun. So that's the time we decided to to move
Baguio, to move
here in
here.
Baguio.
As in, to be like a hands-on parents. Kasi, alam mo yun, actually parang blessing in disguise yung nangyari during the pandemic. It made us rethink what we really want for our family. So, with house help sa bahay. So, parang, kaya ba natin? I asked him, sabi ko, kaya ba natin to that? Wala naman din ginagawa. Mostly online lang din naman. So, yun. We decided to stay here in Baguio that time. Actually, inspiration naman ng house nito. I'm a really big fan of the Studio McGee. So, pina-follow ko lang siya. Tapos, I can see it lang sa mga sa Pinterest, like that, and sa Instagram. Tapos, doon pumunta kami ng US. I think that's the time also na we started na building this one. Ang ganda mga nakikita ko sa mga stores ng mga Studio McGee na mga products nila, gano'n. Oo, tapos I had this parang magazine. So sabi ko, parang ang sarap na gawin siya dito sa house natin. Like the modern farmhouse, like that. So yun yung parang naging inspiration namin dito sa house na to make it look like a modern farmhouse siya.
Yes. The lot size of this property is 100 square meters. Pero and then the floor area is like more than 100 square meters. Yes. Since our property is located in an exclusive subdivision, parking is not a problem as our cabin is conveniently located near the old clubhouse. Since our property is along the alley, we have reserved parking spaces for 3 to 4 cars. There are 29 steps leading down to the cabin. After going down the 29 steps, the house on your right with the white fence is our cabin. Pagbukas niyo ng gate at pagpasok sa property, may makikita kayong dalawang entrance going down sa basement and towards the main house. Dito sa basement, we have a queen-size bed, a TV, a kitchenette that could accommodate 3 to 4 persons. We also have a common toilet and bath. Going up, on your left, you will see the porch. Dito sa porch na to, gusto ko lang i-share that this is my personal favorite sa part ng house. I could spend time here to work and everything and have some coffee during slow mornings. To add, this part of the house has the best view of the mountain during sunrise if you're an early riser, or also sunset. And on our right, there is our griller and also a dirty kitchen. Pagpasok nyo sa aming bahay, makikita nyo ang aming living area. It's cozy, warm, and welcoming for your family. We have big TV, sofas where you can relax and enjoy the company of your family. Adjacent to it is the dining area, which can comfortably accommodate up to 8 persons. Near the dining table, you'll find our buffet cabinet with a coffee maker and complimentary coffee sourced from our local farmers here in Baguio City. Also, beside the dining area is our working fireplace. Our kitchen is fully equipped with complete utensils and baking essentials, so you can easily prepare meals or bake during your stay. Adjacent to the kitchen is our powder room for your convenience. The whole house has 5 bedrooms. One in the basement. Sa second floor, we have the master's bedroom, the bedroom 1, and bedroom 2. And then yung 5th room natin nasa attic. The master bedroom offers a queen-sized bed with soft linens, perfect for restful night after exploring Baguio. The room is equipped with a 65-inch TV for entertainment, UPVC windows that provide natural light and cool mountain air, the hotel quality towels neatly arranged for your convenience. A towel rack is also provided to keep your space organized during your stay. The bedroom 1 is designed to comfortably accommodate groups or families. It features 4 single beds arranged in custom-built bunk beds, making the space both fun and practical. Bedroom 2 offers a relaxed and cozy setup with 2 small double beds. Yung last room, upstairs, the attic bedroom, provides an additional sleeping space with 2 queen beds. Sa second floor, we have a shared toilet and bath. Available for guests, we already have shampoo, conditioner, and body wash, along with hotel-style towels.
What makes it unique? Maybe it's the legacy of the family, because this is like, it's a dream project for us family, like the 3 of us. Pero before that one, kasi we asked also the approval of my mother-in-law.
What makes it unique, Siguro because every corners of this house has a story to tell.
Yes, it's a story to tell.
Kasi based on our family, the three of us, just the three of us.
And
Yun
we
po.
named it under my son's name. Kasi Pio is like really the heart of this cabin. Like what my husband said, every detail of this house, there's a story to tell. The challenge was transforming this house into a modern, while still respecting its character. Kasi even before, nandyan na yung mga iba dyan eh. So, we just put a tweak on it. So, yun. So, kung paano namin siya mapapaganda, kung gaano siya mas magiging welcoming sa mga guests. Yun yung parang ini-envision namin for this property. And one thing, power interruption. Laging brown out dito. So, talaga pag
Nagpapakonstruct kami before.
papakonstruct,
Wala kaming
mawawalan ng kuryente.
Bumabagyo, sobrang lakas ng bagyo. Yung mga na-encounter namin problems. Siyempre, with those problems, nadidelay. Di po ba? Kaya, yun. Parang chain reaction yun eh. More labor, more gastos. Diba?
Totoo.
Hindi
totoo.
ma-meet yung deadlines. So, paano na? Pero, wala, kailangan niya. Kasama po yun eh. And then yun, yung fireplace nasa dining. Usually, ang fireplace dapat nasa living room. Po, yun. Kaya,
Ang daming
ganun talaga eh. Kailangan natin,
consider.
yan yung nakalatag. Pagandahin natin yan. Yung ma-appreciate natin at ma-appreciate ang tao.
And also, alam mo, in building and renovating this one, tinirhan muna namin siya before namin siya iparent. So, gusto kong ma-feel muna na, oh, this is the things I want for guests to experience.
Feel.
Yung feel nila na, ay, ito pala yun. Ito pala yung, yung comfort, yung coziness. Yan. So, gusto ko munang ma-feel yun. So, we started living here. Tinirhan muna talaga namin siya. Finil muna namin siya. Start with your why. Why? Parang know your purpose. Know muna talaga before you begin. Is it for family, investment, passion, or everything else? So you really have to ask yourself, do you really want this?
Do you
Kasi
really
hindi
want this?
siya,
Do you
ano
really
eh.
want this house?
oo, gusto mo ba itong
Diba?
house na to? Makakastay ka ba dito? Like that. And don't rush
rush.
the process talaga.
Mm.
Take time to plan. Take time to plan. Choose the right people to work with. So, in our case kasi, at first, we got our boys from our province.
Kasi wala pa kaming
Wala pa
kilala
kami
dito.
kilala dito kasi
Oo,
talaga
so,
eh.
dadali namin yung kakilala namin from Pampanga,
Mm-mm.
ganun, para mag-work, ganun.
Be realistic with your budget.
Ayun, isa pa yun.
Be realistic.
Kung ano na yung budget, doon ka muna.
And lastly, don't be afraid to start small. Kasi Pio, Baguio, this cabin, it's not an overnight. Talaga na isang pitik lang, nandyan na lahat yan. Ang daming dinaanan nito. As in, ang dami.
Ang daming arguments.
Arguments.
Siyempre,
Totoo.
kailangan yun eh. Kailangan namin pag-usapan.
Consider.
Otherwise, wala kami pakialam, di ba? So,
Yeah.
yun, it's for the house naman, for us too.
This house really built with courage, faith, and hard work. Hard work din talaga.
Kailangan talaga. We're truly grateful
Grateful, thankful,
Mm-mm.
thankful kami.
na pinagkatiwala sa amin to. And then, of course, may mga, yun, and then we finally decided na kung okay lang na kunin namin tong bahay.
Yeah.
And then she said yes. Nagpaalam kami sa mga
Naiiyak na ako.
kapatid ko.
Yes,
Of
yes,
course.
yes.
And then,
Yun.
oh ba, bayaran mo na kami. Parang ganun.
Like,
Then,
yung
ayun.
equal share nila. So,
I'm very thankful with my family, mom ko, sisters ko,
sobra,
na
sobra.
dali na kausap. Yun.
Even his sisters.
Yeah, kaya yan, in-acquire namin itong bahay.
Yeah. And they get to see this one. Sobrang saya rin nila.
Yes,
Every time we
sobra.
invite them to go here. So, dito sila magstay. And then, yun,
Once a
nare-relax
year, at
sila.
least once a year, nakapag-stay sila dito. Yeah.
Yeah.
Tuwan-tuwa sila sa ginawa namin sa bahay na ito.
And I just want to say thank you, Mommy, for allowing us also na to build our little family here.
We're really grateful talaga na hinayaan mo kaming makuha ito. Kaya sa mga kapatid ko rin, yes, of course.
Thank you.
Very thankful din ako sa kanila na ayun, na maayos naming napag-usapan lahat.
Yes.
Want to share your house and get featured? Email us at stories.onlygood@gmail.com and tell us about your interesting home story. For more videos like this, subscribe to OG and be part of the community.